Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to set up the cookbook application. The link to instructions is provided below. Please verify that the Ruby and Rails version that you are using are compatible with each other. If you are having trouble setting up Ruby or Rails version, I have linked an excellent article which will help you get started. So first, let us start a new Rails application. Let us ensure that it is set up correctly. We can see that the Rails is working correctly. Everything has set up correctly. Now we can use scaffold to generate our models, views, and controllers. Let us open this project in RubyMine. Here we see that the scaffold has generated the views, models, and controllers for recipe and categories. Now we need to add our associations and validations in our models. We also need to add a reference in our database migration, create recipe migration. And then we can run all the migrations. Okay. Now we also need to make our default landing page as categories index. So we can go to config, routes.rb, and add our default route. We need to also add our categories drop down option and while we are creating our recipe. So we can go to view, recipe, and form. And add our code just below the description. Also, we need to add links to view all our recipes and categories, and we can do that in layouts, application. We'll add our code here. The last thing that we need to do is ensure that the category ID is a whitelisted parameter in recipe. So we can go to recipes controller. All the way down, you will have the trusted parameters here, and we can add category ID to that list. And that's all we need to do to set up our cookbook application. We can ensure that it is running correctly. We can see our recipes and categories were created properly. And that is all that we need to do to set up our cookbook application.